Hello everyone, today I will introduce you to the updated line of built-in TVs for the kitchen from AVEL. Right now we produce two diagonals of built-in TVs. These are the three models with a screen of 23.8 inches for installation in standard cabinets 600mm wide, and two models with a 32-inch screens for cabinets 30 inches and 900mm wide. All models are equipped with a built-in smart TV based on Android TV 9.0. We install IPS matrices with Full HD resolution in all models of the built-in kitchen TVs. Let's take a closer look at each presented model. A budget novelty, a compact built-in TV AVES325ks. The height of the model is only 382mm. It is built into cabinet 600mm wide. The body of this model is made out of aluminium and plastic, which has made it possible to reduce the weight of the TV. This will allow it to be used with cheaper Blum lifts or the HKS or HK Top series. The TV is equipped with built-in Android TV version 9.0 and two built-in speakers, 3 watts each at the bottom. This TV, unlike other models, cannot be installed over ovens or hobs as part of the body is made out of plastic. Also, this model is available in a single color, a black frame panel and a grey aluminium frame. The next compact model, AVES240ks, like the previous model, the height of the TV is 382mm and is installed in 600mm wide cabinets. The body of the TV is made out of black metal. The front panel is made out of tempered glass 3mm thick. Two speakers of 8 watts are located at the bottom of the TV. These TVs have two color schemes, with black frame and a white frame. Additionally, this model has a removable handle made chrome-plated aluminium. You can install such a TV above any kitchen appliances on Blum, Ks or Heffiel lifting mechanisms, with slide-up or swing-up opening type. This line has a 2-year warranty. The next model has already become legendary, and this is an updated built-in smart TV for the kitchen AVES240ks. The TV case is made out of black metal. The matrix is protected by tempered glass 3mm thick. The range of the TV is built into a standard cabinet 600mm wide and a height of 455mm, which corresponds to a standard kitchen appliances. As the TV comes in 3 colors, the model fits into any kitchen interior very nicely. The TV is available with a black frame, a white frame, a full mirror finishes. It can be mounted on a single or swing-up lifting mechanisms. The TV are equipped with built-in vibration speakers so you can get high quality and surround sound as the sound goes from the entire front surface of the TV to the viewer. The model is equipped with a removable handle made of chrome-plated aluminium. The warranty of this type of TV is 2 years. So let's move on to the models with the larger diagonal, and they are AVES320ks and AVES325ks models. These models are equipped with a 32-inch IPS matrix with Full HD resolution and differ only in size. The model AVES320ks is designed for installation in cabinets of 900mm wide. The height of the TV itself is 455mm. An AVES325ks model is designed for installation in cabinets 30 inches wide, the height of which is 514mm. Compatible lifts for these models can be found in the product cards in our official website, aveselectronics.com. These models are supplied in one color edition. They come with a black frame. Otherwise, these TVs are no different from the AVES240ks model. So today I tried to talk about all the built-in TVs from the kitchen for AVEL so that you can understand the main differences, and in the nearest future on our channel I will touch more about each model. So I hope this video was very useful for you, and if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments below. We will try to answer them promptly, and I will see you in the next video.